open in this you need to click the stream in the bottom on the top and click the settings, and there's you have an interface. Click the interface and you can notice the client beta participation star. Need to select the stream beta update, and once it's completed you need to reset. So you need to reset now. After resetting, go to stream and click the setting once again and go to account details. Yes, in this you click the family management, so you can have a joint family and create a family. If you have already have a joined creator, you can join, or else you need to create a family. You can write the participation who are, then need to click create. So the stream lets you share your game library with friends and families, so they can play your game on their account. So it's easy to share. So this is how to share the game, also to create and join. So thanks for watching.